Good morning, student. Today we will discuss another class of chordates, that is mammalia, okay, or mammals. You can see on your screen different type of organism, and they all organism belong to mammals. Elephant, whale, okay, and here you can see that zebra, kangaroo, clear platypus, they all belongs to mammals. So before going on the classification of mammals, first we will discuss the general characteristic about mammals. Okay, so mammals are warm-blooded animals. Warm-blooded animals means they can maintain their body temperature by their own self. Okay, so like cold-blooded animals, they require energy or heat from the outside. But about mammals can regulate their body temperature because mammals are having mammals are warm blooded animals. They can directly give birth to young ones. Okay, but here is some exception. One group of or one subclass of mammalia, Prototheria, they basically lay eggs, and just they are having the affinities with reptiles. Okay, so second point about mammals, they are most dominant form of animals, means they can live in all types of habitats. Means mammals are cosmopolitan in nature, means they can live each and every corner of earth. Clear? It means that they are found in almost all the types of habitats. Third point about mammals are having the mammary gland. These mammary glands are very important, children, because of this mammary gland, mammals class has got the name mammals. Okay, mammal mean is breast. Clear? So mammary glands, mammals can produce milk through their mammary glands, and this milk is a nourishing agent for young ones. Clear? So they feed milk through their mammary glands. It's about mammals. Next point is mammals are having well developed brain, means cerebellum or midbrain, hindbrain, clear, medulla oblongata, means so all the types of brains are all the portion of brain is well developed. Okay, so neocortex is the main region of brain. Their skin possess oil glands. This is very important point, children. Oil glands are present and sweat glands are present in mammals. Clear? But if you remember, in our last class we had discussed that birds are having a single type of gland. This is known as the preen gland. Okay, and preen gland is present where? Preen gland present downside of the tail. क्लियर? इफ़ यू रिमेंबर कि जब बर्ड्स कहीं पर बैठी हुई रहती हैं, क्लियर, दैट टाइम बर्ड्स क्या करती हैं, अपने टेल में अपनी बीक को रगड़ती हैं. क्लियर? वाई दे डू दिस काइंड ऑफ बिहेवियर? क्लियर? They just collect all the oil from preen gland, and वो क्या करते हैं, उस ऑयल को अपनी बॉडी पर बीक से रगड़ते हैं. क्लियर? इफ़ यू ऑब्जर्व दिस थिंग, वाई दे डू दिस काइंड ऑफ बिहेवियर? वो उस ऑयल को अपनी बॉडी पे क्यों मैश करते हैं? द रीज़न इज़ दैट कि इफ़ एनी बर्ड गेट्स टू बी वेट, अगर बर्ड पानी से भीग जाती है, दैट टाइम बर्ड के जो फेदर होते हैं दे गेट्स टू बी हैवी. अगर बर्ड के फेदर हैवी हो गए, उसकी बॉडी हैवी हो गई, दैट टाइम बर्ड कांट फ्लाई. Okay, so that's why this nature, birds has adapted this nature. They collect oil or substance from the preen gland, which is located downside of the tail. Every time they just move their head back, और वो अपनी बीक में ऑयल कलेक्ट करके अपनी बॉडी पे पूरा उसको रब करते हैं. क्लियर? एंड दिस मटेरियल, दिस वैक्सी टाइप ऑफ मटेरियल help birds to just retain the water from their body. Okay, so next point is about that was about the preen gland, or like that mammals are having oil glands and sweat glands. Okay, the fur of hair throughout the body which help animals adapt to their environment. Many animals are having thick coat of fur in their body, or hair in their body outside of the body, or which works as an insulator. Clear? Next point, heterodont type of teeth are present. Heterodont means incisor, scissor, molar, premolar, okay, or means that canines. These are the types of teeth. So different type of teeth are present in case of mammals. Next point related with them, they are also possess cervical vertebra. Okay, 7 cervical vertebra, number of them is 7. Clear? All mammals are having 7 cervical vertebra, means humans are also having, giraffe are also having 7 in number, but that time their cervical vertebra is height of them or length of them is much more than other mammals. Okay, next point, mammals also that we have discussed, the skull is dicondylic skull is present, or dicon means 2 lobes are present in brain or cranium. Okay, that is only known as the dicondylic. Trunk is divided into thorax and abdomen. क्लियर? आवर बॉडी इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 पार्ट्स, हेड एंड ट्रंक, और ट्रंक में क्या होता है, थोरैक्स एंड एब्डोमेन 2 पार्ट होते हैं. क्लियर? दे रिस्पायर थ्रू लंग्स, एंड इन लंग्स ऑल्सो लंग्स एंड एब्डोमेन इज सेपरेटेड बाय द डायफ्राम. यू नो अबाउट इट. ओके, गुड सेंस ऑफ हियरिंग एज मैमल्स आर हैविंग द 3 middle ear bones. How many ear bones are present in case of mammals? 3 middle ear bones are present. Okay, mammals have a 4 chambered heart. That is also after crocodile, you know that after crocodile all the animals are having 4 chambered, means ventricle, auricle, left auricle, right auricle, right ventricle. They are the 4 chambers are present. And one more important thing, sinus venosus or renal portal system are absent. Clear? Single boned lower jaw. If you observe lower jaw of, that is the upper jaw and lower jaw of in case of mammals, it is of single bond. The brain is well developed, as we have discussed already. Brain is well developed and divided into cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. Clear? They are having the 12 pairs of cranial nerves. How many cranial nerves are present? 12 pairs of cranial nerves are present in case of mammals. So these are the general characteristics related with mammal. Now you can see the classification of mammals. Mammals are generally classified into 3 broad categories, 3 broad subclasses. These are known as the Prototheria, that is the first one. Okay, first one, because we consider it first one because the initial or most primitive type of mammals. Metatheria, another name is marsupials, or they are the therians. Okay, therians are divided into metatheria. Marsupials means like kangaroo, those who are having the pouch in their body, they known as the metatherian or marsupials. Okay, third one and most advanced type of mammals are eutherian. Eutherian means placental mammals. They always give birth to babies. Okay, metatheria and eutheria gives birth to babies, but in case of prototheria they lay eggs. Okay, so this is about the classification of mammals, or broadly I will make another video related with the classification of mammals and their characteristics. Okay, I hope that much is clear. If you have any question regarding mammals, just send me your question. Thank you, children.